How to add a co-host on VRBO. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can add a co-host on VRBO. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to vrbo.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now, VRBO doesn't have a formal co-host role, so you'll need to share your login credentials, email and password with your co-host. For security, first contact VRBO support to add your co-host as an emergency contact. This lets them receive verification codes and handle urgent guest messages. Next, in your dashboard, click Help or the question mark icon, select Contact Us and choose Account Access as your topic. Request that VRBO add your co-host as an emergency contact. Provide their name and email. Once VRBO confirms, your co-host can log in and manage guest communications and calendar alerts. If you'd rather not share your main login, use a property management system like Guesty, Hospitable, or Zeno. Sign up for a PMS and connect your VRBO account via their integration. In the PMS dashboard, invite your co-host by email and assign them specific permissions: guest messaging, price updates, calendar syncing, and maintenance tasks. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.